An AED on the wall is not the same as an AED that's ready. Take 90 seconds each month to check. Here are the 5 things to check, in order. 1. The status indicator. It should show a steady ready signal, not a flashing or blank light. 2. The pads. Check the expiry date printed on the pouch and make sure the seal is unbroken. Adult and pediatric pads expire separately. 3. The battery. Note the install by date and the expiry date. A dead battery is the most common reason an AED fails when it is needed. 4. The response kit. Gloves, shears, a razor, and a face shield. All present and in date. 5. The cabinet and signage. The device must be unlocked, visible, and reachable in under 3 minutes. Every minute of delay cuts survival odds by up to 10%. Your monthly check is what protects those minutes. Write the date and your initials on the log every time. If tracking 5 devices across 3 sites sounds like a job nobody owns, that is exactly what Response Ready's AED Total Solution takes off your desk.